Hi there, students. Afloat. Afloat. Okay, either an adjective, a post-positive adjective, meaning floating on water, or as an adverb. So, when the Titanic sank, he managed to stay afloat by holding on to a piece of wood. You can stay afloat longer if you have a life jacket on you. A life jacket will help to keep you afloat. So afloat, floating, in a floating position. But then we also use this word metaphorically to say out of difficulty, or particularly talking about finance. The company borrowed £100,000 from the bank to stay afloat. The government bailed out the bank in order to keep it afloat, to keep it out of difficulty, to keep it from going bankrupt. And we use this word afloat to enable something to a business to remain viable, to remain solvent, not to be completely overwhelmed by debt. I lost my job and I had real financial problems, but I managed to keep afloat by doing several freelance jobs until I found a new job. It is questionable if the company will be able to stay afloat after the failure of its most recent project. If you have a lot of debts and you need enough money, you try to keep yourself afloat by working various different jobs at the same time. The government has issued a stimulus package to help various small businesses to stay afloat during this recession, to remain financially viable. This is the idea of to stay afloat, to have enough money to pay what you own. The business sold some of its assets to stay afloat. The business is having great difficulty staying afloat. There are loan programs that are operating in order to keep small businesses afloat. If you owe the bank a large amount of money, it's probably better for them to keep you afloat and keep you paying some of what you owe. The company needs millions of pounds to stay afloat. Okay, so afloat. This is talking about floating in the water, not sinking. You tread water to stay afloat. But the firm will not be able to stay afloat if things get worse. Also, we use this word sometimes to mean in circulation. There is a rather nasty rumour afloat that the company will not be able to stay afloat unless it gets a large bank loan. So the boat was afloat, there were yachts afloat in the harbour. It will be difficult for the firm to stay afloat. Everybody thought that the Titanic would stay afloat, it wouldn't sink. So, on the water, floating on the water, afloat. Free of difficulty, self-sufficient. The money will keep me afloat for a long time. Circulating about, nasty stories were afloat within the community. So something's afloat, it remains on the surface of the water, it doesn't sink. They need to keep this oil tanker afloat. If a country or a business or a person is trying to stay afloat or is kept afloat, they have enough money to continue to pay their debts. They haven't gone bankrupt. So afloat. So as I said, this is a post-positive adjective. So you can't say the afloat piece of wood. A piece of wood afloat in the ocean, washed up on the shore. As a post-positive adjective, it's got to go after the noun. A piece of wood afloat on the ocean, and there you could do it like that. A company, a business afloat after many years trading is an interesting thing to analyze. They spent a week afloat on a raft. Spend afloat, adverb. It was difficult to stay afloat. But there is a story afloat, post-positive adverb, that he will resign from his job. It's one of the biggest ships afloat, post-positive again. But you can't say one of the biggest afloat vessels, and that's the point with post-positive. So, afloat, floating, on the top of the water, buoyant. Afloat, formality 5, use absolutely anywhere, and clearly this comes from the word float, from Old English flotian, to float, from Proto-Germanic flutona, to float. So, afloat.